This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assessing the damage. Check for pitting, flaking, or soft coatings because you want to avoid abrasive attack. Next, soak a soft cloth in 1/2 cup white vinegar and gently dab the verdigris to loosen minerals and copper salts. While you work, mix a small baking soda paste, just enough to be tacky, so you can apply it precisely. You do this because acid dissolves oxides and the mild abrasive lifts residue without scratching the glass. Once the vinegar has softened the verdigris, apply the baking soda paste and let it react for 2 to 3 minutes. This neutralizes acids and buffers further damage. Use an old toothbrush to scrub in small circular motions. Light, steady strokes remove particles without gouging metal or glass. Rinse continuously with cool, running water to wash away dissolved salts, because trapped salts will recrystallize and return the green. Make sure to dry thoroughly with a lint-free cloth to prevent fresh oxidation. You finish by polishing the frames and lenses with a microfiber cloth to restore clarity. Apply a small amount of metal-safe polish to brass or copper frames if appropriate. If faint green remains, repeat the vinegar and paste cycle once. Do not escalate to steel wool, because that causes scratches. Should corrosion reappear or the coating be damaged, stop and consult a professional jeweler or optician. One troubleshooting tip: if cleaning makes the spot worse, the protective coating may be compromised.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.